Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Ga. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with Ga. In our last video, we covered the letter Ka. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The later gob is from the same category like the previous one cob we had, but just the style is a little bit different. Gob uh, initial style is coming like this one, and middle part is coming like this one. Pointal joint is this one, and pointal unjoined is this one. In a sentence or in a word, for example, we have gob, gwel, gwel. Gwel means flower. Da gwel der kolay day. Da gwel der kolay day. It means this flower is very beautiful. Da means this. Gwel means flower. Der means very. Kolay means beautiful. Day means is. Da gwel der kolay day. This flower is very beautiful. Or for example, we have another sentence. زه ګلونه خوښوم. زه ګلونه خوښوم. It means I like flowers. Look, ze means I, guluna means flowers. Look, the previous one was gwal. Gwal was singular and the plural is guluna or gulan. Both of them is correct. We can make the plural of guluna, gwal, flower, guluna or gulan. Ze guluna خوښوم or ze gulan خوښوم. Ze means I, guluna means flowers, خوښوم means like. زه ګلونه خوښوم. I like flowers. Or another sentence we have دا سور ګل دی. دا سور ګل دی. It means this is a red flower. Da means this. Sur means red. Gul means flower. Day means is. Da sur gul day. This is a red flower. Look, in Pashto language, sometimes Surgul is also a name of person. Mostly Surgul is, like a private name. It means if you say like as a people within, you can say the Surgul, it means this is Surgul. It means this is the man Surgul. The man whose name is Surgul. But the meaning is like this one. Da means this, Sur means red, Gul means flower, Day means is. Da Surgul day, this is a red flower. Or go in another word, we have gata. Gata. Gata means benefit. Gata means benefit. The car zamala pora gata leri. The car zamala pora gata leri. It means this work has benefit for me. Da means this. Car means work. Zama la para per me. Zama me la para per. Zama la para it will become per me. Get a benefit. Larry has. Da car zama la para get a Larry. This work has benefit for me. For another sentence we have مونږ باید له وخت څخه ګټه واخلو. مونږ باید له وخت څخه ګټه واخلو. It means we should make use of time. Mun means we, باید should, must. La وقت from time of time. څخه like from ګټه benefit واخلو take use. مونږ باید له وخت څخه ګټه واخلو. We should make use of time. Sometimes, like in Pashto language, one words have one meaning, but in a sentence, like as in English, giving another meaning. For example, use means, istimal, using something. But in this case, like wakhlu means, like take. But in this case, it means, use. مونږ باید له وخت څخه ګټه واخلو. We should make use of time. Or another sentence we have ورزش د بدن لپاره ګټه لري. ورزش د بدن لپاره ګټه لري. Exercise is beneficial for the body. ورزش means exercise. د بدن لپاره for the body ګټه benefit لري. has. ورزش د بدن لپاره ګټه لري. Exercise is beneficial for the body. Another word like what we have on it at the end, chirg. Chirg. Chirg means rooster. دا سپین چرګ دی. دا سپین چرګ دی. It means this is a white rooster. Da means this. Spin means white. Chirg means rooster. Day means is. Da spin chirg day. This is a white rooster. Or another sentence we have go on it. چرګ په حویلی کې ګرځي. Look, when go on, this one is also go. چرګ په حویلی کې ګرځي. It means the rooster walks in the yard. Chirg means rooster. په حویلی کې in the yard. په means in the حویلی کې yard. حویلی yard. Pa and ki means in. You know, like in Pashto language, you mentioned in the previous lesson as well. And also you can look our grammar lessons that this in, you know, like coming in two parts, like a sandwich, you know, at the beginning and at the end. Pa and ki means in. Gerzi means walks. چرګ په حویلی کې ګرځي. The rooster walks in the yard. Another sentence that we have, زما مور د چرګ غوښه پخه کړې ده. زما مور د چرګ غوښه پخه کړې ده. It means my mother cooked chicken meat. زما means my, مور mother, د چرګ غوښه chicken meat. پخه کړې ده cooked. پخه means cooked. پخه کړې ده means cooked. زما مور د چرګ غوښه پخه کړې ده. My mother cooked chicken meat. Yeah, now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. ګل ګل flower. دا ګل ډېر ښکلی دی. دا ګل ډېر ښکلی دی. This flower is very beautiful. زه ګلونه خوښوم. زه ګلونه خوښوم. I like flowers. دا سور ګل دی. دا سور ګل دی. This is a red flower. ګټه ګټه benefit. دا کار زما لپاره ګټه لري. دا کار زما لپاره ګټه لري. This work has benefit for me. مونږ باید له وخت څخه ګټه واخلو. مونږ باید له وخت څخه ګټه واخلو. We should make use of time. ورزش د بدن لپاره ګټه لري. ورزش د بدن لپاره ګټه لري. Exercise is beneficial for the body. چرګ چرګ rooster. دا سپین چرګ دی. دا سپین چرګ دی. This is a white rooster. چرګ په حویلی کې ګرځي. چرګ په حویلی کې ګرځي. The rooster walks in the yard. زما مور د چرګ غوښه پخه کړې ده. زما مور د چرګ غوښه پخه کړې ده. My mother cooked chicken meat. If you would like to learn Pashto Deri online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like Itacan quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want to complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching. and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.